Okay, good morning students of class 11 biology. Students, today we are going to perform or going to demonstrate the biological apparatus which are very essential for biology practical. Now let's see, look at here the blackboard. Today practical object is to demonstrate apparatus and glassware which is required in biology lab. Okay students, now this is the object of the biology practical to demonstrate apparatus and glassware which is required in biology lab. Okay, there are some apparatus which is very essential for biology practical. Okay, now this is the apparatus which is required here. Today we will demonstrate. Okay, this is a petri dish, second slide, cover slip, watch glass, test tube stand, funnel, beaker, conical flask, measuring cylinder, reagent bottle, scissor, needle, forceps, spatula, microscope. Microscope is categorized in two forms. There are three microscope in our biology lab. One is dissection microscope, and the second is compound microscope, and the third one is light microscope. These apparatus, there are the following apparatus which are very essential for biology practical. Students, now let's see a demonstrate of step by step. Step by step this biological apparatus. Now let's see the demonstration of this biology practical. Okay, now let's start again, students. You can see here there are the different type of biological apparatus. There are the different type of biological apparatus here. Now we will explain and demonstrate one by one. Okay, students. Now look at the here. This is the two apparatus is here. This is known as measuring cylinder. Both the apparatus is known as a measuring cylinder. This is a borosilicate which is made up of borosilicate glass. And this is a plastic measuring cylinder. This is also known as a graduated measuring cylinder. Why are called the graduated? Because they graduated by the measuring. It means 20, 40, 60, 80. And it may last in 250 ml. This is a 20 ml, 40 ml. Look at the here. This is a 20 ml, 40 ml, then 80 ml, 100 ml. And finally 250 ml. So this is a which is used as a measuring the volume of liquid. To measure the, what is the use of this measuring cylinder? For measuring the volume of liquids. Now let's see this next apparatus. Yes, this is a beaker. Beaker which is used as a separation or titration for using a different type of solutions. Which is used as a liquid and solid for mixing them. This is now the next apparatus. This is a conical flask. Students, conical, the name which indicate the neck is narrow, that is a conical. This is a conical flask. Students, he also graduated here. This is a graduated conical flask, and this is a graduated beaker. Students, beaker. There are the different type of beakers and different size of conical flask. Students, conical flask which is used as a titration and analysis of liquid and solids. Students, yes, this is a reagent bottle. This is a reagent bottle. Both are the reagent bottle. Reagent bottle means which is used as a for staining. The reagent which is used for the different type of staining, such as safranin, fast green. The fast green, safranin, and cotton blue, which is used as a different type of staining for substances. Students. Now the next, yes, this is a watch glass. Students, this is a watch glass which is taking for any materials is also watch glass, okay, which is used as a taking materials, okay, and both are the petri dishes, okay, both are the petri dishes. The petri dishes and watch glass are the different shape in your biology lab, okay, which is taking a materials for observing. Now look at the here, there are the many slides here, okay, there are the two type of slides here, students, there are the two type of slides here. This is a simple slide and the second is cavity slide, okay. Look at the here, as you can see, this is a cavity slides, okay, this is a cavity slides, cavity, okay, the cavity which is used as a bursting of pollen grains or different type of materials. And the next slide, this is a simple slide, not cavity slide, a simple slide which is taking a materials or cut part of any plant's root, okay. Yes, so this is a simple slide and this is cavity slide, okay, the slide which are used as a observing of substances of materials, okay. Now look at the here, this is funnel, okay, the funnel which is used as a filtrations of any substances, okay, which is used this is funnel. Now this is a sampling tube which is used as a sampling for any substances. Now again funnel, okay, this is dropper, okay, and this is needle, this is cover slip, stands, this is cover slip, okay. Now this is a test tube stands, okay, and test tube stand which hold the test tube, okay. So this is a test tube, there are the different type of test tube is here, this is a large size and a small size test tube here, okay, which is held by the test tube stands, okay, stands. Now let's see here, yes, this is a filter paper, okay, the filter paper which is used as a bloating, okay, also known as a bloating paper, okay, which used as a was the excessive amount of water, okay, which was the excessive amount of water. Now next, yes, this is a apparatus box, okay, which is used in biology lab for all the students, okay. Now if you open this biological apparatus, you can see, yes, as you can see, this is a scissor, this is a razor, okay, students, razor, this is a needle, okay, this is a dropper, this is a spatula, okay, look at the here, this is hand lens, okay, and now you can see this is a forceps, okay, which is most essential in biology practical for picking any cut parts of roots stem, okay, student. So this is forceps. Now let's see another apparatus which is used in biology lab, okay, this is a pH strip, okay, student, which measuring the pH of soil and other substances, pH of soil, pH of water, this is a pH strip, okay, this is a graduated pH strips, okay, you look at the here, this is a graduated pH strips, okay, this is graduated pH strips. Now look at the here, yes, students, this is very important apparatus in all the biologists when you enter in biology lab, okay. There are the 2 and the 3 type of biological apparatus used in biology, all the biologists which is used in our daily practice, okay. Now look at the here, this is compound microscope. Okay students, this is compound microscope. Look at the here, this is compound microscope which is used for observing any microbes, any micro specimens. Okay, and this is dissection microscope, dissecting microscope or dissection microscope. Okay students, dissecting microscope which is used any cut part of the flower. Okay, flower parts which is dissected by the plants. Okay, and now let's see, this is a light microscope. Okay, light microscope which is used for various type of observing of micro specimens. Okay, so this is light microscope which functions as a light in form of the lights. Okay, this is light microscope. So students, this is a different type of microscope in your biology lab which are very essential in your biology practical. Again I will repeat here. Okay, yes, again I will repeat this, the name of the different type of each step by step of the biology apparatus. This is a measuring cylinder, both are the measuring cylinder, both are the measuring cylinder. Now this is a beaker, this is a conical flask, this is a glass jar or glass bottles, we can say the reagent bottle, this is reagent bottle. Okay, this is watch glass, again watch glass, petri dishes, both are the petri dishes is here. This is the slides, these slides are two types, the cavity slides and simple slides. This is a funnel, the sampling tube, again funnel, dropper, needle, cover sleeve which cover the materials, and this is the test tube stands and large size test tube, a small size test tube. Okay students, this is a filter paper. Now this is a apparatus box, and this is pH strip. This is compound microscope, simple microscope and light microscope. We can say that dissecting microscope and light microscope. Students, these are the different type of instruments, or we can say that different type of apparatus or glasswares which is used